The organizer of Mbula Events Group, Mr. Alan Kumar, Group Marketing and Business Development Manager, Motiba Group of Companies, Mr. Ibrahim Gomez, and invited guests and team representatives. It gives me great pleasure to be here today and to see you all bright and ready to play. And I'd like to congratulate you because it's been 17 weeks of competition. There have been 32 teams, so obviously you are the best teams here today. You look all very fit and ready to go. Around the world, it's becoming very apparent that the shortened version of the game is actually the way to go. So with cricket, as you know, it's gone from a full week of test cricket to a one day, and now 2020 is actually very attractive. Same thing with sevens rugby is growing rapidly around the world, and Fiji is excelling in that regard. And also futsal is a rapidly growing part of soccer that's being recognized as something that all over the world people are keen to be part of. And I congratulate Mr. Alan Kumar and also Motibai for supporting futsal and using futsal as a means to tackle NCDs. NCDs is a global problem, and all over the world people and also nations struggle with NCDs. I am pleased to say that government in its provisions within the budget has made sure that we have provisions to be able to tackle NCDs and using multisectoral engagements, using support through sports, through the Ministry of Youth, and also through the Ministry of Health. As I came today and I did a bit of research about the futsal, I realized that Ministry of Health is not represented. So Mr. Allen with Business House, I can assure you today that we'll have a Ministry of Health team that also be part of it. So when the Minister of Health is here, please play as much as you want to play, because if you have any problem, the doctors and the nurses will be there to help you. I won't take long. I just want to say I'm really proud to be here, really proud to see that you are here today. Most of you are like me, fathers and are dads and uncles, and to see you actually play sports when you were younger and actually now play sports again in futsal is a testament to your wanting to live long and contribute to our nation as a whole. So I'd like to congratulate you. I'd like to thank you for being fit, and I wish you all the best tonight, and God bless you. Naka.